Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the crisper glass in an LG refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a couple of minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new crisper glass. This crisper glass is located at the bottom of the fresh wood compartment, covering 3 crisper drawers. It also serves as a shelf. The main reason to replace the glass is if it's cracked or shattered. To get to the part, we need to open both French doors. I'm going to pull out this middle drawer. I'm going to lift the glass, push it up, support it, and then grab it with both hands and slowly remove it. This is the old crisper glass next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. And now I'm going to install the glass. Place it slowly on the top on the frame. Push it back all the way. I'm going to place my hand here, support the glass, put it down, and I'm going to push that drawer back in. And now we can close the doors. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.